This copper sheet is 20 mm times 40 mm. If welded using conventional processes, the result is as follows: solder paste overflow, surface contamination, and a sharp drop in yield. But what we produce looks like this: clean edges, zero solder overflow. What's the difference? It's not in the welding process itself, but before mass production. We identified before mass production that this small, ultra-smooth copper sheet would definitely cause solder paste overflow with traditional processes. The solution is straightforward: control from the source. Customized 0.1 mm ultra-thin stencil to lock the solder paste volume at 0.15 grams, leaving no chance for solder overflow. This process has been stably implemented on the production floor. Meanwhile, we designed a pneumatic automated test platform for customers with 12 parallel channels. Single-piece testing time has been reduced from 10 minutes to 7 minutes. Throughput increased by 30%, and data is 100% traceable. Through proactive risk prediction and targeted solutions, we not only ensure smooth mass production and on-time delivery for our customers' projects, but also help them achieve higher product yield and lower overall manufacturing costs for stronger market competitiveness.